we talk of destiny, we talk of so many things being predetermined in our lives. Then there's a question of applying our intelligence to situations and things. If there's already, everything was predetermined.
Who talked about destiny? Did I?
You didn't talk, but generally, everyone, when something happens, your destiny will be like this. It's destiny, the work of destiny or whatever. There's a general perception about.
That's a simple escape from all the nonsense you have done to your life. For all the nonsense that you have done to your life, destiny is a simple escape. Oh, it's my destiny, that's why I'm like this. Now, whatever you call as your destiny is also self-created. You are creating it unconsciously. You can also create it consciously. There are certain parameters in your life. I think we looked at this the other day when somebody asked karma. You have unconsciously written a certain software for yourself, so you're tending to go in that direction. Whatever you try to do, it just keeps going in this direction. You want to go here, but it just keeps taking you this way, because your software is like that. It develops certain tendencies and starts moving in certain direction. This does not mean you cannot redirect yourself. Yes, it's quite compulsive. It needs an effort beyond body and mind to completely change that and put it in a different direction. What we're doing here, the whole science of what we're doing here is just that. If you make your energies little more malleable, if you gain little more mastery over your life energies and little more mastery over your mind and body, you will see you can become 100% master of your destiny. I'm talking about a science where you can choose the very womb that you are born into. Even now you're choosing, but you're choosing unconsciously. You can also choose consciously. Whether to be born or not to be born also can be chosen. It is just that how much have you taken into the perspective of your life. If you have mastery over your body, about 15 to 20% of your destiny will be in your hands. If you have mastery over your mind, about 50 to 60% of your life and your destiny will be in your hands. If you have mastery over your life energies, 100% of your destiny will be in your hands.